me, I was destined for greatness. Writing my raps, advancing my statement to rush for success. Testing my patience, nothing but stress. Lessons I faced with, still I embraced it. Blessed with amazement, my stepping stone became a step on the pavement. Days I was balling, I should've went pro. Should've finished college, instead I said no. What's my calling? If it ain't balling in the NBA, could be trolling, but I'm here stalling for endless days, filling out applications, giving out my resume. Want my pen penetrate, gotta be a better way.
What's up guys, we're now here in Atlanta after sitting on planes for over 24 hours. I've finally arrived. As you can see, Atlanta is very green, it's very vibrant. Decided to take day one and relax a little and hike up Stone Mountain while I wait for the rest of the crew to fly in tonight. Looking forward to getting on the track tomorrow.
So yesterday practice sessions, weather conditions were terrible, a lot of water down all over the track which made a lot of inconsistent driving. Today conditions are looking perfect, sun's out, all the cars are all ready to rock and roll right now.
We pushed really hard in that second run, which as a team we felt was a much stronger run. We had a really wicked entry and we're actually rewarded a lower score than our first run. So the team were a little disappointed, but overall we're in the show.
So Formula Drift was established in 2004. We're the second longest running professional drifting series in the world. Not only do we run the championship here in the United States, but we've also expanded globally, and we've ran or licensed consecutive series in places like Canada, Japan, and Asia. You know, I think that second qualifying run that Mike had is the epitome of Mike. You know, I think Mike puts it all out there in everything that he does. It just shows kind of his commitment, his dedication, and about his style, you know? He just goes all out all the time, and it's awesome to see.
Alright, so we've just come out of the first top 32 battle. It was one that we definitely couldn't take lightly with Alex Hilbrun. You know, he came last year as a Pro 2, won just about every event, qualified P1 at just about every event. So we gave him everything we had. You know, when it came to setup, usually as we progress through top 32 to top 16 to top 8, the setup changes a lot. You know, with Alex sector times throughout the course, he was really quick, so we had to dial everything we had into the little rad build. The team were super pumped, and now we're going up against Dai Yoshihara.
One battle actually with Mike, but in a way he kind of turned my switch on too. He's really fast, he's a good driver. We had a really tight battle, so we got one more time.
So top 16, we went up against Dai Yoshihara. Dai is one to watch for. You know, he's won the championship here. He knows what it feels like. And in 2010, which was the last time I was in Formula Drift for an entire championship, I actually paired up with him 5 of the 7 rounds. So yeah, thinking, you know, that we're that close already in our second year, you know, Daijiro went on to get second. Gambare, Tanashikata desu, Daijiro Yoshihara. But yeah, now we move on forward to Japan.
I do rotaries and rotary accessories. You know, I had a rotary.
What's an accessory for a rotary? The pistons, right?
They got I think they got like maximum size Doritos.
Overloaded Doritos.
Overloaded Doritos.
Overloaded Doritos.
Apex Seal has a little bit more cheese on it.
I heard he went and got a custom cam milled down to 0 millimeters because it doesn't exist.
You're right. I ain't got anything to say about that.
You want to hear a not joke?
We're
Mad Mike wishes he could. He never will.